Hello, my dear lovely students. I am Christy, and today I am going to narrate a very interesting story about a old man Vipin Babu. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory by Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray was a Bengali Indian film director, writer and illustrator. He was one of the greatest filmmakers of 20th century. Ray was born in Calcutta on 2 May 1921 into a very rich Bengali family, which was prominent in the field of art and literature. So let us read this very interesting story about Bipin Babu. This is the story about Bipin Chaudhary's lapse of memory. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in an Kali Charan's new market to buy books, crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He lived alone, was not a good mixture. He had few friends and didn't like spending time in idle chat. Today in Kali's Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. "Hello, Bipin Babu. पहचाना? I don't suppose you recognize me. पहचाना कि नहीं? Have we met before? Oh, no, I don't recognize you. Who are you?
Oh, you forget that we met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls in 1958 in Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh.
Ranchi? Huh? No, I didn't went Ranchi. Do you know who I am? Huh?
Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?
No, you are doing some mistake. I have never been to Ranchi.
What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru and cut your right knee. I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Nahetrat the next day, but you couldn't go because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time? Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember, I will tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your side, seeing trips. Am I right or not?
Oh, in which month? Which month? In 58? Are you talking about? No, October. Oh, what are you saying? No, sir. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Okay? Good day. Bye. But the man didn't go. Nor did he stop talking.
Very strange. One evening, I had tea with you in the veranda of your bungalow. You speak about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi.
But you know, when Bipin Babu had paid for books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking him in a utter disbelief.